Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to pitch and time stretch with Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll see your audio project ready to work with. At the top of the screen, locate and click on the selection tool. This tool is essential because it allows you to choose which portion of your audio you want to modify. You have two options here. You can double-click the selection tool to automatically select all the audio in your project, or you can click and drag across a specific section if you only want to adjust part of your recording. Now that you've selected your audio, click on Effect in the top toolbar. This menu contains all of Audacity's powerful audio modification features. Hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo, and from the submenu that appears, select Change Pitch. This feature lets you adjust how high or low your audio sounds without affecting its speed, which is incredibly useful for vocal adjustments or creative sound design. In the Change Pitch window, look for % change. This is where you'll control exactly how much you want to alter the pitch. You can either enter an exact number of semitones directly into the field or use the slider for more intuitive adjustments. For example, when you enter 2, you'll raise the pitch and create a higher voice. If you enter -2, you'll lower the pitch and create a deeper voice. Feel free to explore different values to find the sound you're looking for. Before committing to any changes, click Preview in the bottom left. This lets you hear exactly how your adjustments will sound without permanently applying them. If you're not satisfied yet, simply adjust the slider again and click Preview once more to test the new settings. When you're happy with how the preview sounds, click Apply in the bottom right to make the changes permanent. Next, let's adjust the tempo. Click Effect in the top toolbar again, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo, and this time select Change Tempo. This feature changes the speed of your audio without affecting its pitch, which is perfect for matching timing requirements or creating interesting audio effects. In the Change Tempo window, look for % change where you can enter an exact number or use the slider. For example, when you enter 10, your audio will play slightly faster. If you enter -10, it will play slightly slower. Alternatively, you can use the slider to adjust the tempo visually. If you move it to the right, your audio will become faster, and if you move it to the left, it will become slower. Click Preview to hear how your tempo adjustment sounds. Feel free to explore or adjust the slider based on your preferences until you achieve the exact timing you want. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Apply in the bottom right. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted both the pitch and tempo of your audio in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.